Some big breaking news coming in at this point in time, and Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has broken his silence on the Bharat Mata portrait controversy at Raj Bhavan. Slamming the RSS, he said, Raj Bhavan, the official residence of the state's governor, should not be converted into an RSS Shakha. He said it is not a platform for RSS agenda and it should only exhibit constitutionally accepted norms. Pinarayi Vijayan said that the portrait of Bharat Mata that was placed in Raj Bhavan was not the generally accepted image of Bharat Mata. He was referring to the image displayed at the Raj Bhavan depicting Bharat Mata holding a saffron flag in her hand instead of the usual tricolour, the Indian flag, during the Environment Day event. Now, this became another flashpoint between the Kerala government and the governor. Remember, the agriculture minister at that time had boycotted this function at the Raj Bhavan on 5th of June as a mark of protest. He also alleged that the image used was actually the one that is associated with the RSS, not the version typically displayed at official functions. And now we have the CM himself responding. Look at this image that we are talking about, the portrait of Bharat Mata that became controversial. Listen into what exactly the Chief Minister has to say.
ഈ പറയുന്ന 1977-79 കാലം കണ്ണൂർ ജില്ലയിൽ മാത്രം അനവധി രക്തസാക്ഷികളാണ് CPIഎമ്മിനുണ്ടായിരുന്നത്. പ്രതിസ്ഥാനത്ത് RSSുമായിരുന്നു. ആ ഘട്ടത്തിൽ CPIഎം RSSുമായി സഹകരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു.
Let's now go across to my colleague Mohit Bhatt joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Mohit, this is the first time since June 5th we have a reaction coming in from Kerala Chief Minister who's called, usage of this portrait of Bharat Mata unacceptable. He's also said that we cannot have a situation that Raj Bhavan turns into an RSS Shakha.
Well, yes, in fact, and we have seen that at that particular time when this particular controversy broke out, there was an Environment Day program, as you rightly pointed out, on 5th of June. And after that, we saw that how the Bharat Mata poster was there at the Raj Bhavan, and the Environment Minister of Kerala did not attend the program. He protested. And post that, we saw massive politics, BJP alleging that the CPM is just for the sake of appeasement politics, is opposing the poster or the picture of Bharat Mata. Now, today also, BJP is also alleging the same. BJP says just to cater for the appeasement politics for one community, and just 2 days before the by-polls in Kerala, the Kerala Chief Minister has made this particular statement. Now, Kerala Chief Minister, while addressing a particular press conference, was asked this question, and he stated that the symbols of RSS should not be used in the Raj Bhavan. Raj Bhavan should not give state to the symbols of RSS, and clearly he has hit out at the RSS, but the BJP says that Bharat Mata does not belong to the RSS. The only work that CPM does is demonizing RSS, and just before the election, such statement is being made by Kerala Chief Minister just for the sake of appeasement politics, because they want the votes from a particular community. So we see massive politics brewing up in Kerala over this particular issue, where the BJP says that it is being done for the appeasement politics, while the Kerala Chief Minister and CPM says that Raj Bhavan should not be given state. They should not be given any state at the Raj Bhavan where the symbols of RSS should be put, and he was referring to the poster of Bharat Mata that was put over there at the Environment Day program. And at that particular time also, the Environment Minister of Kerala protested, and he did not attend the program, and he walked away. Back to you.
Right. Mohit, request you to stay on with us. In fact, we have now reactions coming in from leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Former Union Minister and Kerala BJP Chief Rajiv Chandrasekhar hit back at the Kerala Chief Minister and the left, saying there is some kind of competition, it seems, that's going on between the left and the Congress, the competition of appeasement. He said they have a tendency to demonize RSS. Listen in to first what Rajiv Chandrasekhar said, and then BJP's Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi.
I must tell you with greatest respect to the office of the Chief Minister that what the CPM is doing in Kerala and is almost like a competition of opportunistic politics with the Congress party. This tendency to try and demonize the RSS is a deliberate, direct attempt to fear monger amongst the Muslim community. This is nothing but a silly, doomed to fail ploy by the CPM and the Chief Minister on the eve of the Nilambur by-election to try and somehow attract the Muslim vote that is going away from the CPM to the Congress and to the other independent candidate PV Anwar.
देखिए, आरएसएस जो है वो राष्ट्र निर्माण में लगी हुई है, राजभवन निर्माण में नहीं लगी हुई है। और मुझे लगता है कि जो लोग जो है आरएसएस के बारे में नहीं जानते कि आरएसएस राष्ट्र निर्माण के लिए बिना रुके हुए, बिना थके हुए पूरी प्रतिबद्धता के साथ काम कर रही है, वो इस तरह की बेवकूफ़ी भरी बातें कर रहे हैं। उसका कारण है क्योंकि उनको वो दिन याद होगा जब राजभवन जो है वो कांग्रेस और कम्युनिस्टों का जो है वो कार्यालय हुआ करते थे, कांग्रेस और कम्युनिस्टों के एजेंडे वहां से चलते थे। आज जो है वो राजभवन संवैधानिक प्रतिबद्धता के साथ काम कर रहे हैं।
Let's now go across to my colleague Arpita, who's also joining us live right now. Mohit continues to be with us as well. Arpita, BJP, reacting very strongly as far as this entire matter is concerned after the Chief Minister of Kerala, Pinarayi Vijayan, said that Raj Bhavan is not a platform for RSS agenda. He said we should only exhibit constitutionally accepted norms. BJP now saying that this is yet another attempt by the left, by the Chief Minister of Kerala, to demonize the RSS.
Well, yesterday when Chief Minister clearly said that Raj Bhavan is not a place where RSS should politicize anything, they should not use any symbols related to any particular political party. But also on the other hand, Chief Minister had clearly said that there was an information passed by the Raj Bhavan that from now onwards, further on, there won't be any symbols used which is associated with any political party or anything for official purposes. That was the information given by Raj Bhavan. That is what the Chief Minister had said. But today, a fresh row has erupted after Minister Shivan Kutty had gone to Raj Bhavan to attend an event of Scouts and Guides event where he had to distribute prizes to students there. But he came back without doing that because again there was a portrait of Bharat Mata kept at Raj Bhavan.
Right.
And,
Arpita, apologies, I'm just interrupting you there. Request you to stay on with us. We have Rahul Ishwar, who's an activist, joining us on the broadcast as well. Good afternoon. Thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. What do you make of the comments that have come in from Pinarayi Vijayan, the Kerala Chief Minister, over Bharat Mata portrait that was used during the Environment Day event at Raj Bhavan? He said that Raj Bhavan is not a platform for RSS agenda. Bharat Mata's picture with saffron flag that was used is actually the one that's used by the RSS, and Raj Bhavan shouldn't be converted into an RSS shakha.
This is very unfortunate coming from the communists. We all know that Bharat Mata belongs to all. Bharat Mata is not just a RSS symbol. It belongs to all. And Bharat Mata temple was inaugurated by none other than the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi himself. Originally, the picture was by Abhinendranath Tagore. Sister Nivedita popularized it. Bharat Mata with a tricolor belongs to all of us. And I hope communists will also see to the point that it is Mother India's invocation. You call it Bharat Mata, you call it Mother India. The Bharat Mata slogan was coined by Asimullah Khan, who was a close associate of Nana Sahib. And he said, Madre Vatan Bharat. And such kind of things should not be brought into disrepute. And I hope they will accept a Bharat Mata, which is acceptable to all, with a tricolor flag, with our constitution. And it is very unfortunate the leftists are having a negative attitude towards it. I hope Bharat Mata, Mother India belongs to us all, whether we belong to right, left or center, doesn't matter. And I hope my CM, I know I'm from Kerala too, but I'm a Hindu activist. I hope our CM will see the reason being the Mother India invocation, and it is a sign of patriotism, not parochialism. I hope communists will accept this point, and Bharat Mata belongs to all, right? Bharat Mata ki jai is chanted by all. Bharat Mata temple is respected by all. So why the leftist only has an issue with that is a strong point that they have to reconsider.
All right. Rahul Ishwar, appreciate you joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective on this entire controversy. And we have now, viewers, a reaction coming in from the Congress party as well. Listen in to what the Congress netas are saying.
निश्चित तौर पे कंस्टिट्यूशनल पोस्ट है ये राज्यपाल का, और ये हो गया है। ये ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं है, ये हो गया है, ये परिवर्तित हो गया है। और खुल्लम खुल्ला हो गया है। मतलब एक जो बनने हैं गवर्नर विभिन्न राज्यों में, उनके कारखिलाफ और उनका मतलब जो डिमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एक्शंस हैं कि मैं आरएसएस का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हूं।
And with this, we will slip into a very, very short break. But this is going to be our top story ahead as well. Heading into a short break. More updates on the other side. Stay with us.